Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new, and if you are new, it would mean so much if you guys hit the subscribe button to join my YouTube family because I do upload every Tuesday and Thursday. Today I'm sharing 10 side hustles to start today in 2020. So I'm all about finding ways to increase your income. I think that especially now what's really great is that we have the internet and there are so many ways that you can make extra income straight from home most of the times, or even just going on your own and doing little things here and there. It never hurts to have a little bit more money coming in and increasing your yearly income. So I hope this can be useful. I will link anything I do talk about in the description box for you guys. Comment down below what your job currently is or what your dream job is. I'm curious to know. But on that note, let's just jump right into these side hustles. The first side hustle I'm going to talk about is Rakuten. I've been using this website for about a year and a half now, but I've really been getting into it within the past year, I would say. And this is one that I recommend to literally anyone I know, and it's so easy. It is the largest online cash back site, and there's actually two different ways you can make money on this website, which I will go into. But the first way, of course, is just getting cash back on any purchase you make. Rakuten actually has 2,500 plus stores. They literally have everything on there. Every store I know I shop at is on that website, so I'm sure pretty much all your stores are probably on there. And I totally recommend doing this, especially if you're trying to be on a budget, you're trying to save money. This is the best thing to use. This is great because this website can even be used for buying your everyday essentials, your groceries, your hygiene products that you're already gonna buy, so you might as well get cash back on. Anytime you're gonna make any sort of order online, or you know you just have to buy something, I totally recommend using this site, and all you have to do is shop through the site. Let's say you want to buy something at Ulta, then you would go on Rakuten and you would click Ulta. It will redirect you to the Ulta.com website, and then just make your order. And because you were redirected to that site, and once you check out, you will get your cash back into your Rakuten account. So you wanna make sure that you're going through the Rakuten site first before going on the site that you want to shop on, for you to be able to get your cash back on any order that you make. Cashback can sometimes be double cashback. It can go up to 10%. It could go up to even 20% cashback. It really depends. It's constantly changing. They will send you either a check or go into your bank or your PayPal. Literally, there are no strings attached. It is free to sign up. I will link my referral link down below. It would mean so much if you guys signed up. And that is the second thing that's really great about this website, is there's a referral program. So if you guys sign up right now with my link, you will get $10 for free. And the great thing is, once you do sign up and you get your $10, and let's say you're getting cash back, you're already making money back on things you wanna buy, refer it to all your friends and family. And if they sign up now with your referral link, you will make money every time you get someone to sign up. And it's as easy as that. One of the best referral programs I've ever seen. So it's a really great, lucrative website that you can actually make potentially a lot of money back. And over the years too, with all the cash back you're getting on things that you're already gonna have to buy, it's great. I do believe they even have like hotels and flights that you can get money back on that. So it's just a great website to sign up for. I cannot talk enough good things about it. That is one way to make easy money straight from home online. And like I said, I will have my link down below, and make sure you guys sign up now so you can get your $10. And that leads me to side hustle number 2, which is delivering food and groceries. This one is actually really popular, especially right now in the climate of 2020, and it is just becoming more and more popular. One of the best side hustles that you can make hundreds to even $1,000 a month. It really just depends how much you do it, but that is just either delivering food, whether it's from certain restaurants to people's houses, or actually going grocery shopping and delivering those groceries to people. So there are actually many apps that you can use to sign up and be a part and join this service. One that is becoming, I feel like, more popular, especially during this climate in 2020, is Instacart. You can do this through your phone and through your app. You can pick up people's groceries and drop it off to them, and you will make money that way. And of course, I'm sure you guys have heard about things like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Postmates. Those are all really great apps to use in order to deliver food. DoorDash is actually currently one of the fastest growing food delivery apps. Uber Eats has the most options. It is actually the first food app, and there's also Postmates. Those are really great apps to sign up for if you don't mind kind of picking up people's food and delivering, and it's all really convenient because it's based around your time schedule. You can even earn as much as $600 more per month, which is always great to add extra into your monthly income. And now that leads me to side hustle number 3, which is online freelancing. So you can obviously do freelance gigs in person, but especially like I said with the climate, this is perfect right now to do online freelance. If you can read, you can write, you can program, edit, make videos, or even if you're just open to learning a variety of different skills, this one is great for you. You can even do bookkeeping for businesses online and make money that way. Some areas that are easy to get started with are online transcription work. A lot of people are looking to transcribe their podcasts or videos. A lot of people are also looking for online virtual assistants and even social media management. The potential is really limitless, which I will link a few places that you can check out in order to find some online freelance gigs in the description box. This is really convenient because it's straight from your home. You don't need to go anywhere, and you could always do this after your 9-to-5 job that you may have. My next side hustle is rent out your car. So this may not be something you want to do, but this is always a really great option, and a lot of people make a ton of money off this. This is one of the coolest new ways to build passive income. If you work from home or you don't really use your car, or maybe you have an extra car that you really don't use, you can always rent it out. These services allow you to list your car on your terms. You can set a price, availability, and they also cover you on insurance. Turo is the original car service and one of the largest platform. They also have Get Around, which is more of a new competitor. There's actually a few people that have taken this so serious that they've actually bought a couple cars, and all they do with those cars is rent it out, and they're making money on that. So that's pretty cool, and I thought it was a really innovative way to build extra income without really having to do anything. And that leads me to side hustle number 5. It's kind of like the same thing like renting out your car, but renting out your space now. This can be super lucrative. You can even make $1,000 per month or more. It really depends. It's similar, like I said, to listing your car, but instead you're listing your space. So whether you have a condo, even to list out your basement, or let's say you have a cottage and you barely go there, you can make money during the times that you're not there by having listed it. People have even listed their garages out. So there's so many things that you can list. If you have some sort of space where people can hold gatherings or a party, that's also really great. And the services that you can use, of course, is Airbnb, which I feel like is so popular now. This is one of the largest services that lets you rent out your space. And you can also use booking.com, which is a huge travel site that allows for individual listings. Side hustle number 6 is to help with moving. People are constantly looking for help when it comes to moving, even if it's just moving houses, or even if they just have to move large furniture pieces to their house. Especially, this is really great if you love this type of work, but you also have maybe a truck. It would be even more lucrative. Easy to find a lot of work when it comes to moving. Dolly is actually an app that connects people looking for movers. So that's a really great option to look into if this is something that you're interested in. Side hustle number 7 is to buy and resell items. You guys know I love doing this, and I currently do this right now. You can sell your items, used items, and resell them for profit. I use the app Poshmark, which I've done a whole video on how to grow Poshmark, and you actually sign up to the app with my code NICOLETTAXO, which I will have linked down below. You can get $10 credit, so I totally recommend signing up to that. It's so simple, so easy to do. You just list your items, and once it sells, they are responsible for the shipping. They'll send you over a shipping label, you put it onto your package, and you ship it out. Many people have made this into a full-time gig. A lot of people actually buy stuff and then resell them, but even if you just want to make extra cash here and there, you can sell your old stuff that you have, whether you're doing a closet clean out, maybe you have a cousin, a sibling, or a friend that will actually give you some of their clothes they want to get rid of, and you can go ahead, list that, and make money off it. There's so many websites you can use, but I do use the app Poshmark. I just find Poshmark the easiest. Like I said, I will link my code down below for you guys to sign up with so that you can get your free $10. And that leads me to side hustle number 8, which is to work odd jobs. So you can find these gigs online and get paid for it. If you actually go to Craigslist and then you look at gigs, they have a bunch of different things that you can do to make money and do odd jobs here and there. It's quick, easy, and you get paid. So if you're just looking for anything and you just want little jobs here and there just for that extra cash, Craigslist is a great option to look into. Side hustle number 9 is taking online surveys. This is definitely a more lower paying opportunity, but it's also so easy. If you can turn on your computer, you could be earning a little bit more money. There's a ton of online survey sites that will pay you for your opinions, whether it's in cash or gift cards. A couple of them that I totally recommend is Swagbucks. And actually when you sign up to that website in particular, they will give you a free $5 just for signing up. And they actually have a section dedicated to surveys that you can fill out and make a little bit extra coin from doing so. And then there's also surveyjunkie, which they will give you rewards and money for sharing your opinions and thoughts and answering their surveys. And that leads me to the last side hustle, which is just to sign up for freebies. So there is a ton of websites now on the internet which will actually pay you just to sign up to their website. So whether that's in credit form, cash, or rewards, they will pay you for it. They don't all have a huge amount of money that you're gonna earn, but it's always great to get free money and get a little bit extra wherever you can. So there's actually a huge list of websites. There's a bunch. Maybe I'll list more in the description box for you guys. The first one being Rakuten, which I mentioned right at the beginning, which this one's actually a really good one, like I said, because it can be really lucrative and you can make a lot of money off it. But like I said, right when you sign up with Rakuten, you get $10. So you'll get cash back on your first purchase you make and you'll get $10. So that's a great one to sign up for. And like I said in this video as well, Swagbucks, for signing up, they will give you a $5 bonus. There's also Mew Points, which also gives you a $5 bonus. And Chime and Acorns also give you a $5 bonus each. So there's so many different websites, as you can see, that just when you sign up, you'll get a little bit of money. And some of them are a little bit more lucrative than others, of course. So those are all the side hustles on how to increase your income on a monthly basis and yearly basis. I really hope this could be useful. Like I said, I'm curious to know what you guys are kind of currently doing right now, what you're looking into doing, and I will link everything I do talk about. I will have all my links down below for you guys to sign up right now and start hustling. Thumbs it up if you guys want a part 2. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. I do upload every Tuesday and Thursday, and on that note, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!